Guys, and welcome back to DIY Crafts. And today we're going to be making elf slime. And we will be needing elf foam balls, we bought this at Target.
It was $1 scope.
And we also will be needing Elmer's school glue, a bowl, and something to mix with.
I'm going to pour some glue to the container. Like about that much. We're going to need borax too. I'm going to use color red. It's art time. It's optional. Here, let me shake it. Okay, we want it a really dark red. It's getting there.
So we're just going to keep on stirring it until we get the color that we want. Okay, so we are going to add more paint. And I think it's making it more red. Okay, now we're going to add some borax. You can use detergent as well. I think we have to add a little bit more. I'm going to do the mixing off camera.
We'll be back.
Okay guys, so here's our completed slime. It's very pokey.
Okay guys, we're gonna add the foam beads now. Okay, now we're gonna add the foam beads. I'm just gonna open it. Okay, I'm gonna take out the foam beads. It's like a slime, kinda. It's like already slime. It's so weird. Okay, so here are the foam beads. It's like already slime. Okay, Now we're gonna add. Okay guys, I'm gonna knead it and I'll come back.
We finished emptying out this whole container of foam beads and we put it into our slime. And this is how it came out. It's very cool and soft. We are gonna try to change the color into a red.
We're gonna be adding more paint and we'll be back when we're done.
Okay, so we added half the bottle, but it just seemed to get darker. It didn't really change the color.
Also, shout out to Savage Panda for being the first person to comment on our video. Bye guys, this is the end product.